Boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a very fun and cool song from Toro y Moi. I believe that is how it's pronounced, and that song is called Postman. So this is a cool, little bit funky vibe on it, and we will use the guitar, of course, on Gordon Guitar to play this one. But this is mainly a bass song, but we'll do it the best we can do it with the guitar. So pretty easy, based upon two different chords and no need for any capo. So let's go. The first chord here will be the E minor, and you will basically just use the bass strings for this one. But anyway, we have the E minor on open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. So that's the full chord. And the second and final chord will be A. Okay, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. So when we use these chords, we will basically just use the bass strings for the chords. Okay, so we will start with the E minor and how to handle that one. So you're gonna play two downs on the E minor, so, and a clap. Okay, so two downs and clap. And right after this clap, you go up here. You can just slide up your two fingers you're using for the A and D string. You slide them up here to the 4th fret on both strings. So you play the A string on 4th and the D on 4th. You make one downstroke on this one, and you slide up one fret. You can slide, or you can play two downs with your right hand. So you can use this technique, the slide here. That means you make a one downstroke on the 4th fret, and you slide up to the 5th on both strings, okay? And of course, when you make the downstroke with your right hand, you kind of play the A and D string, and you can even, I mean, it's no danger there to hit the G string as well, but try to stick with the A and D string here. So you can use the slide technique here, or you can do two downstrokes. Okay, so it's up to you. But after this one, after the landing here on the 5th fret, you make a clap there as well. So to summarize the E minor, you play two downs and a clap, and then right after you go on the 4th fret here, on the A and D string, 4th fret, you make that downstroke and slide up or strum even the 5th fret A and D string. So slowly together, the E minor part will sound like this. Okay, so down, down, clap, 4th, slide up, and clap. And you will play it exactly in the same way I play there for 4 rounds, okay? So 4 rounds of the E minor. Then it's time for the switch to A, and this song kind of 95% goes back and forth on the E minor and A. So the A part, here you don't need to play the the second here on the B string. You won't need to play that far down on the strings. So you basically just need the 2nd fret on the D string and the 2nd fret on the G, okay? So here you're gonna use the same technique here. play 2 downs on A. So when you make the downstroke on 2 downs, you want to play with your right hand on the A string, D string, and the G string, okay? Like this. In the same way, and a clap, so, all right. Then you do the same here, but instead of going just to the 4th, you're gonna start to slide from the 5th fret on the D string and the G string. So you basically just take the same grid there from A, slide up to the 5th, and make 1 downstroke, and slide up to the 6th fret with both strings there, the D and G. You can use the same there, slide or 2 downstrokes with your right hand. So you can use this one, or I prefer the slide, that way it'll be a little bit more smoother, all right? So just to summarize the A, the kind of pattern here is exactly the same. So 2 downs and a clap, and then you go up this time on the 5th fret on both strings, D and G, and slide up to the 6th fret on both strings, D and G. So slowly the A will sound like this. Okay. Okay. So for A, you will just do for 3 rounds. On E minor, you did 4. For A, you will do for 3 rounds. And the reason for that is we have this end melody to it, and that is this one. Okay. So what you do there, you're gonna play 2 times on open A, then 2 times on second A, then 2 times on third A, and 2 times on 5th A. You could use the open D on the last one instead of 5th A. It's up to you. I prefer to stay on the same string there. You could use the open D there 2 times as well. So the full A part will be 3 rounds of like this. And then comes the melody here. And that will be kind of 1 round of the chord progression, because then you're gonna start again with the E minor. So 1 round will be like this. That is 1 round. So from the beginning, you will play in total of 5 rounds of this E minor A. And when you have played 5 rounds, you are about 1:48 seconds into the song. In the lyrics, Mama wrote a letter a long time ago. So here we have a little bass melody going on here for 2 rounds. And I'm gonna play first for you, and then you can see how it's done. So let's go. And so on. That was 1 round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. So what that is, you're gonna start on the D string on the 2nd fret. So you're gonna play 3 times. So then open D, then second A, and 2 times on open A. We can stop there. So 3 times on second D, open D, second A, and 2 times on open A. And then we have the ending, which is the like a bridge for the next round, and that is second on A, open on D, and first on D. So this first round, you can say, we have this 2 rounds. This is kind of the half of it. We'll sound like this slowly. And so on, yeah. So that is how it's done. Then we have the next round will be like this. Alright, so it's pretty much the same. The start will be like 3 times on the second D string, open D, second A, and 2 times on open A. So far it's exactly the same. Just the ending here that differs a little bit. It goes like, that is open A, second A, and open D. Right. So if you look and see this as one melody, kind of one full melody, these 2 lines, then you will play that for 2 rounds. So okay, so that was 1 round. You play it for 2 rounds, and then you have just played in the lyrics "What the Fox." So with that, you have just the final part left, and that is another 2 rounds of this E minor A with the melody. So this part, okay? So 2 rounds of that, and that is how Toro y Moi's song called Postman ends. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. A little bit different, this one, a little bit funky on a guitar, and I like to be kind of all over the place and have different songs on Gordon guitar. So I hope you appreciate that, and if you did, please thumb up, let me know, subscribe if you haven't yet. Very important for me to see this going on, so I know I do the right things here. So see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.